In this video, I'm going to explain what ripple in spacetime detected nearby, as you can see on my screen up here, means in one's human. Now, this is actually, as you may have found out, being spammed all the way in the game, wherever you go, whenever you're playing it, when you're traveling around, doing missions, whatever you're doing, this is being spammed on your screen pretty much all the time, constantly. Now, what this means is one of three things, okay? So, the first one is you're near another player's whisper message. So this one you can see on the ground, as you can see, and 99% of the time, from my experience, this is actually the cause for this message. Now, of course, that's not so useful in case you're not reading these. However, if you are, you can check them out by simply pressing F while they're on the ground. Now, the second one is that there may be a chest or a morphic crate nearby. Now, the way you can see this is, as you can see on my screen right now, I have on my backpack that little circle, okay? At the top right kind of my backpack, I've got that circle, and if that's blinking yellow, that means that there's a morphic crate nearby. What you want to do is click Q to kind of initiate spacetime, and you'll be able to see where that crate is. And then there's also a third option of why that's happening and popping up on your screen, and that is that there may be a deviant nearby. But as I said, the most common is this first one, which is that there's different posts or different whispers on the ground from different players. So, I hope this video helped you out and you now know what that ripple in spacetime detected nearby message means on your screen in one's human. And if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.